Very good morning, dear students of Standard 4th. After long time, after a week again, I have came here with a new topic and new notes for you. That is lesson number 11 from your EVS 1 textbook. EVS 1 textbook. That is a part of science. Okay, so keep ready with your books. See, it's lesson number 11, a look inside the body. As you all know, always we look outside the body, but in this lesson we will learn about the internal organs, the specific place of internal organs, okay, the esophagus. This all thing is contained in the following chapter. Now see, here is a journey of food, how the food works in the alimentary canal. It starts from mouth, then it goes to esophagus, then thyroid cavity, again it comes to abdominal cavity, that is your stomach, then digestion of food, unwanted useless substance which throw out from a anus. Okay, then there is a notes on heart, how heart works in your body, even that is the internal organs of your body. Now heart works, but how does the heartbeat works, and what is known as heartbeat, यानी हार्टबीट को क्या कहा जाता है और कैसे होता है, तो छोटा सा एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे. देन वी विल गो विथ अ लंग्स, how your lungs work in a body, okay, and the last is brain. As you all know, without brain we can't do anything, or the body will not support without the function of the brain. Okay, now here are some notes which you have to write it down. See, fill in the blanks. There is a options. Here is a options. ठीक है, and these are the fill in the blanks which you have to write the answer with the following options. So first one, the internal organs that help to digest the food are present in the alimentary canal. You can copy spelling from here. We have dash lungs. How much lungs? 2 lungs. Every dash of our heart is called a heartbeat. Throbbing. Okay, throbbing spelling is here. You can copy it from here. Next, we became dash of all our emotions in the brain. Aware. The structure of the human body is very dash complex. The cavity of abdomen has 2 parts, abdominal cavity and pelvic cavity. Okay, pelvic cavity. We remember information that is registered in a brain. This remembering is called memory. The brain is situated in the dash cavity, cranial cavity. The esophagus is also called the gullet. The heart and lungs are safe and secure in the rib cage. Okay, So these fill in the blanks you have to note it down. Now we will come to true or false. The esophagus is in the thyroid cavity. Answer is false. The heart is in little bigger than our fist. Answer is true. Fist means what? Palm. Okay, इस palm को fist कहते हैं. The food in a mouth form a moist lump. What is lump? छोटा छोटा टुकड़ा. ओके, एकदम छोटा छोटा जो नर्म टुकड़े बनते हैं, that is called lumps. True. The brain will interrupt the information collected by the sensory organs. That is true. Next is the right lungs is slightly bigger than the left lungs. Answer is true. The windpipes divide into two branches. Each is called bronchs. True. The function of heart and stomach depend upon each other. Answer is false. The length of alimentary canal is about 10 meters. Answer is false. The relaxation of the heart is called heartbeat. False. Injury to the brain does not affect one life. Answer is false. Now here is match the following, which you have to match group A to group B. Okay? Can you see? Blood supply to lungs, breathing to heart, carrying food to the stomach, that is alimentary canal, and controlling movement, brain. Now this is second one, group A and group B. Cranial cavity, that is brain, thyroid cavity, that is heart, pelvic cavity, that is lower side of abdomen, and abdominal cavity, that is stomach. And the third one, heart and lungs, rib cage, brain, skull, esophagus carrying food, windpipe carrying air. Now here is answer in one word, which you have to write in single word. Okay. First one, which organ stores the eaten food for some time? That is stomach. From where is unwanted feces thrown out? That is anus. What is the term of becoming smaller? Relaxation. What is the pulse? Where is the pulse felt by a doctor? In wrist. Which internal organs is present between two lungs? That is heart. What are the branches of windpipe called? That is bronch. Which internal organs help in understand the information sent by sensory organ? That is brain. Now here are some answer in one sentence. What are the function of teeth and tongue? So here are the function. We chew the food with the help of teeth. The tongue in the mouth help us to understand the taste of food while chewing. You can write this much only. Next, what is the function of esophagus? So the answer is, there is a tube in the thyroid cavity to transport food from the mouth to the stomach. It is called the esophagus or a gullet. Third one, what does our pulses when does our pulses become slower and when does it become faster? So the answer is when we are sleeping quietly, the pulses become slower. When we are running, जब हम भागते हैं, the pulses become faster. Okay? What is windpipe? A wind like internal organs carries the air we breathe into the lungs. It is called windpipe. What happens to the lungs when we breathe in? When we breathe in, the lungs expand a little. Now, dear students, here are some external questions which you have to find out from your textbook on your own. You have to read the text first, then you have to find out the answer. So, first question, name the internal organs present in cranial cavity. Name any two organs present in alimentary canal. What is the length of the alimentary canal of an adult human? Why must one always wear a helmet while riding a motorcycle or scooter? So these questions you have to write in your own. Okay. So for today, this much only. Again I will come with the next notes of lesson number 12. Till then, complete your work.